guys, it's Erika. We're going to be checking out YOUNITE's Waterfall. I'm really excited to be checking this out and seeing what they are going to be doing with this one. I like them as a boy group. I really like all their concepts, their sound, and everything. So yeah, you know what, let go. Does he have an MP3 player? Okay, I already like the vocals starting out. Okay. Based off the visuals, I was not expecting the sound. But I'm living. 잠을 수 없게 이끌어 날 눈부신 햇살이 반짝이는 푸른 빛으로 이제 난 몸을 던져 그대로 Splash! Waterfall Like a waterfall Waterfall Hey, you're so beautiful I like this song a lot. Choreography looks amazing. That was fun. The outfits, like the drip, is really nice too. I like what they did. And that's great, like texture, like woo. And I love that shot of them like on the beach right there. It's so good. We just feel it 빠져드는 둘 긴장 속에 호텔을 들어 말서림 없이 오늘도 Jump into the ocean 새파랗게 물들어가는 내 emotion 점점 더 원해 널 하루 종일 떠다니고 싶은 네 품속 Jump into the ocean 새파랗게 물들어가는 내 emotion The choreo, I'm so in love with the choreography. And the song is so good. They said that. Choreography, amazing. The musicality looks insane. It looks really great. Definitely, we need to get a better look at that. What is that? That looks like a step counter. But yeah. Little credits, love it. I like this. It's a cute outro. Hey, he got it. He got it. That was really good. I really love this comeback. I think the song is really amazing. It kind of does go into like based off the visuals where I thought it was gonna go, but it doesn't at the same time. So it's really interesting of a track. I love the concept. I think it's really great. This type of music video is just what everybody's doing these days. Girl,
I like to call it that New Jean effect. So it's just what it was popular, so everybody's gonna copy what's popular and try and make it their own. So that's just what we're getting here. But I think it was still really pretty. It was really great visuals. I love the aesthetic. I love the fashion, the drip, the outfits were just on point for me personally. I really liked it. The choreography looks literally like so amazing. It's not even a joke. Oh my god. But you know, it looks really good. They're really clean. They hit all their movements. A lot of great musicality. We definitely need a better look at that, seriously. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. I think it was an amazing comeback. I really love it. I love the song. It definitely had just like that fun, kind of just like nice summery track and stuff that, you know, it's probably one that, at least for me personally, I'll throw in my playlist, and it's like a no skip. It just has like all the right vibes, you know what I mean? It just like, listening to it, you're just like, I could skip it, but I'm not going to. You know, that's the vibes. But anyways, I really liked it. Go to put your thoughts in the comments down below what you thought about YOUNITE's Waterfall. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me and want to see more of my videos, go and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see my videos the second they come out, hit that notification button. If you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or description down below or at the end screen. If you like gaming content, I started a gaming channel. It's called Erika Just Games. Links in the description down below. I'm currently playing The Last of Us Remastered. I hope to see you over there. Share this video to your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll tell you guys later. Bye.
넌 내게 변할 걸. 넌 내게 빠질 걸.